Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing and first look. Today I have something extra special. I never ever thought that I would get something like this. But one of the guys that I know on the Facebook groups was selling it and I couldn't resist. So this is, I think it's called the Dharma. Kind of like a Milkia, but it looks like a little skeleton dude. Yeah, I am not the greatest at unboxing. Why am I not good at unboxing? I'm sure the suspense is killing you. Okay, hold on. I'm almost there, guys. Oh, this knife is pretty awesome, by the way. Shit, I just cut the box. Okay, I got it. Oh, God, please don't cut myself. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, I didn't know that it was by TKEDC. Ooh. This was the brand that did the dog. We only provide wild and elegant. This came all the way from Australia. Okay. I traded the dog away for some other stuff. So hopefully this is a little bit better. TKEDC. Okay. Some more goodies. Oh man, did I cut myself? I hope not. Okay, so this is all the stuff that it comes with. What the hell is that? I guess balls and a lanyard? What is that? Ew. It's leaking, whatever it is. Okay. Alright, let's see. Okay. Wow. Alright. Whoa. Damn, this guy's ugly, huh? Shoo. I guess you can put the lanyard in there. So here, the back is a clicker. Very nice. This spins, right? Oh yeah, this spins just like the dog. It's almost like a vibration spin. Does it spin around in a circle? No. It just goes up and down. It's got some good haptic feedback though. Wow. Okay, so clicker, spinner, slider. Okay, it had balls in there. The balls. Trying to see if I can do that one loopy thing. this little spinny thing makes it a little bit hard to grip. Definitely doesn't spin as nice without this. Where did that other one go? Okay, so let's put the balls back, huh? Oh, I lost the little guy here. It's a little guy, and I lost him. These magnets, I'm telling you. Oh, okay, got him. I got him back in. Okay. So how many? Were there 3 on each side, I guess? Alright. Guess it doesn't matter which way I go. Oh, okay. Yeah. This guy definitely needs the balls. Yeah, I would say this actually feels similar to the soap. All right, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not leaving my collection. First of all, it's absolutely gorgeous. And second of all, the functions that it does do are good. Yeah. Now, for size comparison, I just reviewed the camera. So, see, it's a little guy. It's a little guy. God, it's beautiful. Shit. I love it. I'd say this one clicks a little bit better. You hear that? I wonder what material this is made of. Does it say on the thing here? Oh no. Kind of feels like it might be zirc or something. I'm gonna have to ask the dude that bought it from me. Yeah. God, look at that. I mean, it's just so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop admiring it. Look at it. Wow. All right, so I know I said I didn't like the dog, but TKEDC, you have redeemed yourself with this guy. This guy is nice. Shoo. I wonder if I put the balls in right. Did I? Yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. I also have a Discord now. The link is in the information screen on the channel. I have an Instagram, got a TikTok. But if you guys want to know where to buy any of these things, let me, hit me up on the Discord or in the comments, and I can let you know. I will be doing giveaways, not of this guy though, sorry, but of the other stuff. I'm gonna do weekly giveaways. What day of the week do you think I should do the giveaways on? All right, anyway, thank you guys for tuning in.